Hey guys, this is Rhino. I just wanted to do a little video to show you guys some stuff that I got. Thought it was interesting, so I thought I'd try it out. So this is a paper cutter. You can see the battery's at 98%, and then you can turn this knob and it changes color. So you know that's max. That's medium, and then that's low. You can see you can turn between these three. And then, so that's what it does. So you take that, let me find something good here to cut up. I don't think I have anything, but so I've got this folded in half and then folded over. So this is 4 pieces of paper, basically. How awesome is that? This thing is awesome. So much fun. So yeah, this is something I'll be using around the house. Just go around cutting shit. Not sure if it cuts plastic bodies or not, because I don't have one to... I know it cuts through plastic bags really good. I've been opening everything, all my mail calls with this thing, which is cool. So, that's neat. I don't know if you guys know, but Fantikk, I've been using them for years. They make the electric screwdrivers, the skinny ones. They make this, which I've been using for a long time. I had a gray one that I gave away. And then I got this one. This is another Fantikk. So I use tons of Fantikk. Like I said, all my guns, all my miniature screwdrivers are Fantikk. And that's why I wanted to continue with the brand. They made, oh, my vacuum. I forgot about my vacuum. This is my favorite thing. This is my favorite vacuum. This thing is wicked. It works so good. It cleans up anything. And this is not a commercial for Fantikk. This is just a company that I found a long time ago. That works. I started out with the screwdrivers, the mini screwdrivers, working on TRX4Ms when they first came out, and then I upgraded to the screwdriver. Well, not upgraded, but just added on. I keep adding on to my Fantikk collection. They make everything, and the main reason I wanted to have this little talk was because of this. This is a soldering iron. That I messed up the tip on. I hit it to a plastic bag. I don't know what I was thinking. I gotta take that off there. That's why it's colored. It has plastic bag on it. But it's coming right off, so. But this thing is wicked. You can see here, you can set your temperature all the way up to 840 degrees, which is crazy. The stand is magnetic. You got your little spot for your wet sponge. Comes with Fantikk tweezers. I don't know if you can see that or not. There you go. And then a Fantikk's solder sucker. But this is a good one. I mean, I've had tons of these, but none of them have the compression this one has. I mean, you can hear the air. It is a solder sucker. Real deal. But this, if you hold this button down, you see it's red. That's because it's not up to temperature. So as it goes up, It's got a light on the front so you can solder with a light, but now it's green. So now it's up to temp. That fast. To me, that's amazing. And the reason I bought this was for working on the 1/10 stuff and smaller. It's hard to work on with a big soldering iron, but this little tiny tip, I mean, you can see it's hot. It's just amazing. It's amazing to me. And then let's say you want to go up in temperature. See, it's green. I turn it up. Oh, it's red again. Just that fast. It went up 200 degrees. So from 660 to 750. So this is about 100 degrees. Watch it. 100 degrees. Four flashes of the light, and it goes up 100 degrees. And then we go to max level. And now it's really, really, really hot at 840 degrees. It's going to burn off that plastic pretty quick. Anyway, I thought you guys would like this. You hold down the button to turn it off. Then the light goes out. So now it's completely off. And then you just slide it in your stand and you're done. There's no wires. It charges on USB-C. Same as everything they make. It all charges on USB-C. Every tool, vacuum, everything. So that's it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the little video. I just want you guys to know that, one, that this is legit. I can't say that for all the others, but the Fantikk is legit. It works. I can put some solder to it if you want, but I've already done that myself, so I know it tears up solder. This little guy, kind of fun. I'll be using this at Christmas time for wrapping paper. You zip right through it, or anything else for that matter. Here we go. So we got cardboard nameplate. And we're open. Just like that. Alright, that's enough fun. Until next time, I'll see you later.